about, being judged, about judging, and all the things that come under anything that has to do with womanhood. And as you can see in the show, even though there's lots of scenes where Ajo terrorizes the entire lot of us, we eventually come together as such a strong force. And I think you're going to see a lot of it in the 10 episodes. So,
Thank you so much.
Can we take one last question, please?
I have one more question. First of all, congratulations to the entire cast and crew on this wonderful trailer. And Karishma ma'am, welcome back. Over here, ma'am. Over here. Here. Hi. Yeah, so welcome back once again. And the first question that I would like to ask you is the fact that, I mean, how excited are you to show this to your kids? Because first of all, you're coming back after a long time.
Well, I'm super excited and very emotional because, I mean, like the writer just told you, and I mean, Ekta's told you, all of us have told you, there is a meaning behind this show. There is a learning behind this show. Each episode has a message for everyone out there. I mean, even men watching this show will be like, oh my God, I didn't realize this. You know, we deal with bullying, with gender, with exam fever, with health, various surrogacy. I mean, there are various topics today. So it's actually entertainment, and you learn something at the end of this journey of each episode, which is so beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for answering this. And one question to Ekta ma'am as well, which is, we all know by now why this title, Mentalhood. But, whose brainchild was this?
My beautiful, stunning writer, Ritu.
Kudos to you for that. Wonderful.
She has relentlessly worked on it for 3.5 years. She's gone through her own emotional ups and downs through this. And she gave this title Mentalhood because we made her mental writing it.
Yeah.
The title was Ekta's. At the end of episode 1 narration, she just came up with it and I was like, yeah, actually.
हेलो मैं शिल्पा जी से जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
Shilpa, we have to hear you now.
नमस्ते. बहुत ही सुंदर था. I think I've come back after like 3 years, and I am really grateful for this experience. Thank you, Karishma, for making that call, and thank you, Ekta. Really, I mean it, because मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसे में वापस आके फिर से काम करना पसंद करूँगी. But this was like a perfect story, a perfect setup. Such wonderful actors. I could have never imagined that I'll be sharing the frame with, you know what I mean. It's a dream come true. Thank you.
Okay, let's take one last. This is pakka last, huh?
Yeah.
Tilo has to
Yes.
answer something.
So Tilotma, it's my question to you that how was your experience when you got your character, and what all was in your mind when you got this finally that you have to portray it, because we saw it in a different way. So what was your experience?
I was shocked. Look at my face. Arey, where's that poster gone? My mouth is open, na? There's a reason, because when I got the call, I was like, I'm a Bengali, right? And, I pride myself to be very intellectual kind, किताबें पढ़ती हूँ. तो ये character जो आपने कहा प्रीति with an I, वो आप किसी और को दे दीजिए ना. I was Ritu, Karishma, I was like, guys, it's the wrong number here, I don't understand what made them believe in me being able to pull this off. And speaking of the word nepotism, I've heard about this in the industry a lot. I'm really, I was really, really touched that Ekta, who's never met me, I've never met her, I was so warmly welcomed into this family. And I never felt that I was an outsider, given that Alt Balaji and Ekta, they've been here for, they're ruling the roost. And for an independent actor like me, very Bengali and nerdy to be playing this Punjabi mother is quite incredible. And I don't know anything about motherhood, but I do know that when the show started, my relationship with, what my mother means to me took a very, very dramatic turn. And during that time, the sisterhood of, these women on stage was really, really precious, to work with women who really support, like it takes a village to raise a child. But I also think women deal with so much that to have the camaraderie and love and support of women in life and professionally. And, you know, when women embrace each other, especially in a professional setup, you can't stop us. And, you know, I mean, Ekta is leading the, you know, this brigade, and you can call us the Behenji Brigade, you can call us whatever you want, but, oh, well. But I'm very thankful to be part of this family, and thank you for making me feel so welcome.
I'd like to say this. I think before we look like we're complimenting each other, we're not. But how can she say that that we welcomed her? We are honored to work with her. She's a fantastic actor. And so are all these women and great men on the stage. All Balaji's honored you guys did this show.
All right. Thank you so much for being a brilliant audience. And here's to all our moms and the Mental Hood cast. Let's hear it for them.
To say that I'm really, really lucky. My mother is here today.
Oh, wow.
She happened to be in town. Nobody talked to her because I don't want to tell you my stories. So I'll not introduce you face to face. But she's here, and I'm really blessed. And she was also there when I started my first journey with Ekta years ago with Koshish Ekasha. And this is a very good sign. This is like a huge sign. Thank you.
And let's have one last photo op, please.
One special mention for the producing team, Rupali and Pinto and her entire lot. All the wonderful managers, the support team. We couldn't have done it without you guys. I look so pretty.
All right, let's have one last photo op, please. You might have to come a little closer. Yeah, we would require everybody's solo pictures, please. One with Ekta first. Could we have your solo pictures, please? Could we start with you, Lolo?